Hello, Daniel here. I'm back with another one of our DIY how-to videos. So at the moment we're fitting an IKEA kitchen in the property, and we're fitting obviously the kitchen cabinets and the doors, etc. And the hinge set that's included with these kitchen cabinets is the UTRUSTA. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that properly, so apologies if I'm not. And they also include two dampers that are like a piston. So when you close the kitchen cupboard door,
which are just out of interest, are box top doors, integrated handles at the bottom.
Yeah, they're really nice. Yeah. It will literally close and then they come back out, so you can pretty much close them as hard as you want. Not that you would, it's just stops kitchen banging sort of late at night if you've got family.
So you'd be,
you know what I mean,
neighbour friendly with these.
But the problem with these, so they have to be fitted at the top. So if we show you on the bottom is the same as the top, basically it's identical. There's a little square hole, and on the dampers go like this, like that. And this square hole, there's a spring part of it, spring part of it is here, and there's two hooks, and sometimes they won't go in. So what you do is you push them on that way, and then so you go in like that and then back straight on, and they'll fit. Now if they just won't go in, and we have had a few that have been really tricky, what you need to do is get a flathead screwdriver, hold this away and push away from you. This spring part here, it's got give. Just go forward a couple of times, then try it again. I might be lucky with this. Might just be lucky. I'm trying to just do one hand, so see, sometimes they're really tricky to fit. Yeah, I can't fit that at the moment with one hand, but I'm hoping this video is helpful to anyone who's trying to fit these dampers and wondering why they just won't go in. It's just a springy part. So thanks for watching.